This is Simply Made Fancy, and for those of you that don't know me, my name is Ruth Angelina Mercado, but my friends and family call me by my middle name, Angelina or Angie. So now you guys are my friends, so you can call me Angelina or Angie. But today, Simply Made Fancy is unboxing the Young Living essential oils. I've been waiting for a very long time to kind of start these products at my house, and I can't wait to share with you guys. The first time that I found out about Young Living was when I was doing research for my son, because I didn't want to give him all these chemicals or things like that when he was sick. I wanted to do a more natural approach, and I came across essential oils and I started researching and studying some of them. But here we go, let's start. So this is the kit that I ordered. This is the essential oils initial, membership kit, and I already opened it, so kind of not that much of a surprise. So it comes in this box. This is the diffuser where you'll be diffusing your oil, and it comes in this box. There's a couple of different ones, but I got the Desert Mist because I like the look of it. I guess this is kind of like a monthly newsletter with some ideas, and it comes with a catalog. I guess this is like their little monthly magazine. Like there's a recipe for a soap in here, and then the product guide where all their products are. You can find all their products and they're categorized, and they tell you a little bit about all the products and even the prices. And then this cute little box. This is like adorable, with all the other products and the essential oils. It comes with the seed to seal, which means that their products are really natural, not watered down or mixed with other things. The oils, it's really pure. Some literature as well here, and I'll go through the oils in a little bit. And then there's other products to try, and these cute, as you can see, I already took one bottle out because I wanted to give a sample to one of my friends. And these cute little bottles so that you can give out, and like little cards as well if you want to give out some of your oils. The ones that are up here are labeled in a white label, and all of these you can digest. So we have lemon, thieves, peppermint, and then these down here are the ones that you kind of like diffuse or you mix with other oils. There's so many oils for so many different things. I do oil mixtures for my face, for moisturizer. I've done them for my boys when they get like bruises and cuts. I've done oils for, when they get sick. Lavender we use a lot in our house for cleaning and for refreshing the air, and for baths and for sleeping. I diffuse it for my boys for that. Also with the monthly kit, I ordered a couple of other ones, and they gave me a free one. They gave me the clove. But I ordered RC. I ordered 2 of those, and I'll tell you why in a second. This little bottle here is Thieves, and this is really why I went with, Young Living, because this is amazing. It is so essential to have in your home. I hear that a lot of kids always get sick when they start hanging out with other kids. So I would take the Thieves and mix it with coconut oil or with almond oil and really dilute it, because little kids' bodies are, more sensitive. So you have to dilute it more so it's not as strong. And I would put it on the bottom of his feet, and then, kind of put his socks on, and he would go to sleep. And thank God my kids do not really get sick a lot. Maybe once a year they get like some kind of cold or something weird, and that's probably because I didn't have this around. And Young Living really does a lot of stuff with Thieves. They have cleaning products, so this is really why I'm sold on Young Living, because they were really essential for my kids. You can take this and put drops on it on your soap, and when your kids come home from school, they clean their hands. You can diffuse it. One of the things that I'm actually doing, and I'll show you, this is not what you guys think. It's not some form of drug. This is baking soda, baking powder, and I mixed a couple of drops of the thieves in it because I want to like deodorize and disinfect my rugs. I left it overnight and I'm gonna just sprinkle it in my rugs and leave it and then vacuum. Those are the oils, and I'm gonna show you what you do with the diffuser. So I've already put water in it. So I'll open the lavender and I'll put a couple of drops, about 8 drops there. And then you close it up, make sure that it's aligned. And it takes like not even a second for you to start smelling it, right, babe?
Yeah.
Like smells so good. So all the oil that comes with is Stress Away. Yes, I think I'm gonna have to order like the ginormous bottle of Stress Away because having kids is stressful. And then it comes with the samples of this drink. It's like a supplement. I've never used this. This will be the first time. It says drink 2 ounces 1 to 2 times. Shake well. Best served chilled. Oh wow. A couple of ingredients, but it's really like a lot of berries and things like that. Vanilla extract. Anyway, let's see. Oh, it's actually not bad. I mean, it wouldn't be my favorite thing to drink, but yeah, it's not bad. And then it comes with the household cleaner sample that has the thieves. They have a whole product line of thieves household cleaners and products, and that's really excites me because I like a clean house and I want things to be as natural as possible. I do vinegar and water and an essential oil, either lavender, I've done peppermint, I've done lemon, and I put the vinegar, the water, and then I put thieves in it. And I kind of cleans everything, and it smells so good, and it disinfects very well, and it keeps all the germs away because that's what we want. It comes with these little tiny little bottles. They're like super cute. I love them. Look, they're like super cute. I'm like in love with these. And it's for you to give samples or to carry them in your bag or whatever you want to do. And it comes with 1 roller bottle. So this, you can insert it into one of the bottles. You put it inside and then you can just like roll it. So this kit, I'll tell you the price. I got it on a promotion. So I paid like $144 for the kit, not including the big bottle of thieves and the RC. These things with the literature and the diffuser was about $144. So if you become a member, you get it at that price. If you buy it retail, it's more money. And the one that I really want to get is the thieves and then the RC, because I really like mixing these because it's really good for my kids, especially now that they started school. I learned that, you know, you can mix the RC and the thieves and make kind of like a vapor rub. So when your kids are congested or sick, just put it on their chest or on the bottoms of their feet, and you know, helps them breathe better and stuff like that. So this is why I really like that. And it also helps you like sleep well. And if, you know, I have my wonderful husband that sometimes has to give me massages because I have a bad back, and this mixed with some oils will be perfect for a nice little massage when I need it. So if you guys are interested in more and learning more about Young Living, you can go to the website, find out more about it. Message me if you want to know more. I can, you know, help you guys out. If you want to use my code, message me and I will send that to you. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing of the Young Living Essential Oils products. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please stop by and watch some of my other videos. See you next time.